Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is David Abu. If this is the first time of coming to my YouTube channel or watching my video, click the subscribe button. Click it, click it, click it, click it. Okay, so happy new week, and today we'll be talking about AI visuals in Power BI. So depending on how many when it comes to the volume of your data sets, there's no much time in which you want to be able to analyze your data, and sometimes you want to be able to go in depth into your analysis. So we are going into analytics itself. So I'll be doing like four or five different videos, and you just have to just watch them separately on YouTube so that we just don't use like one video for like 30 minutes. So let's go to the first one that we want to talk about. We'll be talking about smart narrative. Now, smart narrative is one of the AI visuals that came out more recently, and we'll be looking at how you can analyze visuals using smart narrative. So now, smart narrative, if you open your Power BI for the first time and you just click smart narrative visual, so let's go. Let's say where is smart narrative? So this smart narrative right now, or you click insert and you see smart narrative. So if you click smart narrative on an empty blank screen, nothing will happen. It needs to see some of the things you've done, some of the visuals, then for it to now start bringing up analytics. So it loves to see visuals first before turning them into text. That is what it does. So it needs to see visuals first. So we have two visuals. This is saying total sales and transaction count by the month. So we are looking at different months. Then we are seeing sales by different countries. So let's bring in our smart narrative. Immediately you click smart narratives, it's just going to look at the two visuals and change them into words. So now you can see that it says at 21 million, October had the highest. So if you look at this and you look at October, you can see the 21 million there. You see it there. So that is just how it is, and it's higher than March. So read at the lowest at 5 million. So if you go to March, it has the lowest at 5 million. So now you can see total sales and transaction are correlated, really. So it means that when you have the more you sell, the more transaction you do, the higher the sales. That's just what it's saying. So now, see smart narrative, cool. You didn't do anything, you just put it out. So you can even we can go into our smart narrative and create more things there. So let's say we go into and we just click here and I say countries sold. We have how many countries are we selling to currently? So we know that we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we can just type it also. We can say we have 5 countries. We sold to. Let's just put that as an example. But this way, if we look at it, when we click United States of America, we still have 5 countries. We want whereby when we click each one of them, it's supposed to give me one, because we click France now, so it's supposed to give me one country. Germany, one. So, but immediately we unclick Germany again, it should give us 5. So, but you notice that as we're clicking each one of them, this doesn't change. It's still 5. We don't want that. So you see what we are going to do? I'm going to go to this 5. I'll go to this 5 and erase this 5. So I'm going to now go to values here. Value, we want to insert a value. So we are creating a dynamic value. So we are going to say count of countries. Count of countries. Let me see. Countries. Count of countries. So you can see that the result gives us 5. So we're going to save it and say save. We can change the name if we want, but let's just click save. And immediately we click save, it should give us this, yeah, 5. So now let's see something. So we click United States of America, we should have 1. Good. So you see, we have 1. So that's how dynamic it is. So what do you think about smart narrative? Even if we analyze by the segment, and we go to segments and we are trying to, let's say, analyze by different segments. Okay, so so I have this. Let me see what is happening. Okay, so channel partners, I have that. So it's going to analyze with that. Let's say enterprise. Start seeing everything just start changing depending on how we do it. Okay, so we have government. So and just that is how we are working towards it, towards smart narrative. So now, what do you think about smart narrative? How do you use smart narrative to analyze your report? How do you use that? So let's talk about it. Let's see, and tell me in the comment section. Okay, so as we go to the next one, so just check it out.